Hi vitepos lover. It's the vitepos tutorial here. This video will show you the customer form customization feature on vitepos version 3.0. So, let's get started. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updated videos. If you are already a subscriber, then thank you so much for subscribing. Form customization is the new feature in vitepos. To access it, navigate to the vitepos admin panel, go to the customization module, and find the Form Customization tab. Click on it to view all fields, including the custom fields that are added from the Custom Field tab. Within this tab, you have the option to hide or require specific fields. Enabling the hide option will exclude the selected field from the customer form. Additionally, you can toggle the required option on or off as needed. See the changes reflected on the POS panel. When adding a customer, the hidden field won't appear, and the required field behaves as configured. That concludes our overview of the customer form customization feature of vitepos. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.